driving tour of Lynndale East Subdivision.
First, let's hit it. Hi, this is Alan Victoria. Welcome to our channel and podcast.
And if this is your first time in our podcast and YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and get notified.
That's why I call and text all the time at 252-327-3357, so don't be shy. So hi, welcome to our driving tours today again of Lynndale East, which are technically townhomes, but these are townhomes really kind of ensconced in the community. So you wouldn't actually see much inside, like behind it you just see trees, but you are still right here in the city of Greenville, close to everything, and everything is beautiful except, you know, you're close to everything. So, but you're in like you're a little oasis away. So that is what's lovely about this community is that it's a small little subsection, small little area, but you're getting the luxury life and yet you're sitting in the house. So these homes are beautiful on the inside.
And all bricks with that attached car garage.
Yes, all brick, and then you can see even the garage things are brick. So everything is really pretty. This is built in the 80s, but built to last, and they are well maintained and well loved. So tell me about the schools, according to the MLS.
Yeah, according to MLS, actually, the schools are South Greenville Elementary and EB ICOC for middle school and JH Rose for high school. And there are not many houses that pop in this area in the past couple months. We just had two that came, one for $379 and the other one for $479. That the 471 had a lot of upgrades too, but the built, as my wife said, there are 80. The last two houses that was in the market was in 85 and 86. They have 0.1 acre of land.
So it's not big, but again, these are townhomes.
It's very decent, and basically the HOA is two different HOA. One is $2,040 a year, which is $170 a month, and the other one is $2,520, which is like around $205, $206 a month for the HOA. And
the closest grocery store would be Publix, but you have all the shopping near this area. So you would have Publix, Target, Marshalls, whatever. You can tell what stores I go to. Yeah. There's also the mall, Dillard's. You have all of the nice stuff as well. Whatever you want, you are definitely near all the amenities that you can think of. You're near all the restaurants. You're near everything, but you're also ensconced away in a place that you wouldn't even think there was luxury back there. But here it is.
Yeah, if you are caring about the coffee, we had a couple nice coffee shop here. Grounded, Black Ben, Blackbeard Coffee Roaster, Coffee and Spice, Scullery Coffee and Creamery House. These are 4 or 5 of them that is really nice around here. And basically, as my wife said, there are lots of grocery, including Publix and Target, and also we have Fresh Market, Food Lion, and Midtown, and Grocery and Harris Theater. East Carolina University main campus is just 2.1 miles from here, the main campus. And also, if you're talking about East Carolina Health Medical Center, which is the biggest one around here, it's just 3.6 miles. Therefore, you are super close to the college and also hospital. Of course, we have Medical Center 1, Greenville Healthcare, Wintergreen, Moya Medical Center. They're all close by. And also my wife can give you some of the...
I'm going to give you probably the horrible restaurants if you're wanting in this area. But I'm going to say the ones I would go to with my kids, right? So, and I apologize, I have little kids. So, of course, I'm looking at Famiglia, Angus Grill, the Bistro Bus Grill and Restaurant, Basil's Restaurant and Pizzeria. But there's actually much nicer ones than I just said in this area. I just want to point that out. And you can see at one point this was a completely gated community because there is the gate right there. I see it. the former gatehouse.
I hope you loved our video tour.
Oh, we're right across the street from Talbert's, and I mean, that's always my sign of nice areas. So, I hope you love our tours, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. I hope you love this driving tour of Lynndale East. There are more custom homes ready for you to move in, so you can kind of call us so we can kind of get that ball started. So,
and don't forget to subscribe and contact us at 252-327-3357.